Hi, I'm Maverick, a project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose a kitchen faucet? The right kitchen faucet will not only look great, it will make everyday chores easier, and installing a new faucet is a relatively simple update that can make a big impact. When you're ready to start shopping for a new kitchen faucet, there are three main considerations: how the faucet is installed, what it does, and how it looks. First, let's talk about how a faucet is installed. This includes where the faucet is mounted and how many holes it requires. Kitchen faucets are either deck mounted or wall mounted. If the faucet is installed in holes drilled into the sink or countertop, it's called deck mounted, and it's the most common installation type. If the faucet is installed on the wall behind the sink, it's called wall mounted. Wall mounted sinks typically have 2 or 3 installation holes. 3-hole models require openings for the spout and each handle. Wall-mounted bridge faucets only require 2 holes. Deck-mounted faucets typically require from 1 to 3 holes. Adding a side spray or built-in soap dispenser will increase that number. If you're replacing an existing faucet without doing any other remodeling, it's easiest to choose the same installation type with the same number of holes. However, you can easily swap out a 3-hole deck-mounted faucet for a 1-hole model by using an escutcheon plate. These plates are designed to cover up the extra holes, and many manufacturers offer a matching escutcheon plate for their single-hole faucets. Once you've narrowed down the installation type, you need to decide which features are important to you. Pull-down faucets are great time savers. The spray head can be pulled out so you can reach every corner of the sink for easy cleanup, or fill the coffee pot while it's sitting on the countertop. Models with different spray settings let you switch from a powerful spray to clean messy dishes to a gentle spray for watering plants. Pull-down faucets with a magnetic docking feature securely lock the spray head in place while you're not using it. Touch and touchless faucets are a popular choice to keep your home clean and hygienic. Pre-rinse faucets, like this signature hardware Presidio model, are often found in commercial kitchens. The high arc makes it easy to fill large pots, and the powerful spray is great for cleanup. Pre-rinse faucets are also popular for their industrial design. Which brings us to our final consideration: style. When you're shopping for a kitchen faucet, try sorting by design theme and finish color to narrow down your options. Whether your kitchen design is traditional, modern, industrial, or somewhere in between, there's a faucet made to match. To learn more about choosing the perfect kitchen faucet, check out our buying guides by clicking the links below. And visit build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.